This video is the second in our series exploring tools in CourseWorks or Canvas, which is Columbia University's learning management system that can be used to support three pedagogical goals: communication and community building, active student engagement, and assessment and feedback online. In this video, we will be learning about the different ways to promote engagement in your online course. Engagement is often thought of in terms of the investment of time and effort that students put into their learning. Getting students engaged with course material is important, but so is meaningful engagement with their instructors and their peers. This holds true in an online learning environment as well. In this video, we will focus on some CourseWorks tools that can help you facilitate the three types of student engagement: engagement with content, engagement with instructors, and engagement with peers. A first step to help students engage with course content is to organize that content in a logical and an easily navigable way. Make your CourseWorks site easy to use. Some tools that can help you do this are course site navigation, modules, files, and panopto. Let's look at course site navigation. You can customize the left-hand course navigation and control what students see and don't see as menu options. To do so, click on Settings, then click on Navigation, and simply drag and drop tools that you don't want to use to the bottom of this page. So for example, if I don't intend to use pages in my course, I will click, drag, and drop. Similarly, you can also reorder the sequence in which your menu items appear. For example, if I would like the assignments tool to appear before discussions, I will drag and reorder that. Once I do this and customize the course navigation menu the way I want it to appear, I would scroll further down and click on Save. We recommend removing any tools that you will not be using to minimize confusion among your students. Next, let's look at the Modules tool. It is important to have a course site that is easily navigable to students. You can use the Modules tool to organize course materials, activities, assessments in chronological or thematic order. This communicates to students what to do, when, and why. You can chunk learning into logical units, whether by course topic, theme, or week. For example, here we have week 1, week 2, week 3, so on and so forth. To create a new module, click on plus module, give it a name. Once this module has been added, click on the plus button to add assignments, quizzes, discussions, files, etc. to your modules. Next, let's look at the Files tool. While modules create an organizational framework to display or link to content, the Files area holds some of the content itself, such as PDFs, PowerPoints, images, or Word documents. Organizing your files in a logical structure makes it easier for students to find and engage with that material, and also easier for you to build your site. Rather than adding all of your files into one folder, which creates a long list, you can make subfolders. These might be by week, for example, week 1, week 2, week 3, etc., or by file type, images, readings, lecture notes, additional resources, or some other logical manner which best suits your course site. Once your files are uploaded to your course site, linking to a file is simple. Here is an example of linking your syllabus document to the text in the Syllabus tool. Click on Syllabus, click on Edit. As you can see, we have the text which says, please download the syllabus here. We can highlight the text Syllabus, click on Files, click on the relevant document, in this case the syllabus. Once it is clicked, you can see that the text here, the highlighted text here, has been linked. Once it is linked, you can click on Update Syllabus and you will notice that the syllabus is now linked right here. Next, Let's look at Panopto. Panopto is Columbia's video hosting service. If you plan to record lectures, or if you have video files you want students to watch, or if you want students to submit videos, we recommend doing so through Panopto rather than the files area. All courses automatically have a Panopto folder created, which is linked to Panopto recordings area of your CourseWorks site. To add a video, click on Panopto Video Recordings in your course navigation, then click on Create. You can record directly into Panopto, or you can upload a recorded file. If you record your Zoom class sessions, they will automatically be saved in the course Panopto folder. We have more resources available on using Panopto, and they will be shared towards the end of this video. We have just looked at some ways to organize your course site to help students find and engage with content. One tool that can help students further engage with course content as well as with each other and with you is the Discussions tool. Discussion boards can be used across disciplines and in a variety of ways. To create a discussion, go to Discussions on your course navigation menu and click Plus Discussion. You will notice a very familiar editing interface, and when you scroll further down, you have many other options as well. Some of the options include allowing threaded replies, which can make it easier for students to build on each other's responses, make it graded or ungraded, or require students to post before seeing other responses, and many other options. Instructor prompts and student responses need not be just text-based. CourseWorks allows the use of video, audio, images, as well as attachments. Here is a quick recap of the CourseWorks tools that were discussed in this video. We looked at course site navigation, files, modules, Panopto video recordings, and the Discussions tool. Listed here are some more resources from the Center for Teaching and Learning. Thank you for watching this video. Please watch the other videos in this series for more information on communication and community building and assessing student learning with CourseWorks tools.